Hi everyone, this is Margaret, and we're back with your Monday motivations for Game Pros. The motivation for today is actually my realizations. I was writing down all the things that I've learned in my 22 years of existence. Last birthday I had. So this is one of the lessons that I learned, and I'm just gonna share this with you before I'm gonna post this as a blog. So the lesson is, or the motivation is, make $10 before you make 100. So what does it mean? I noticed today there's a lot of headlines. You can see I made a multi-million dollar income with no code app, etc. I'm a 6-figure, 7-figure freelancer for only 3 months. I had a successful exit with this, etc., etc. And if you read all the news in US, there's venture capitalists. They booked a lot of funding, etc. So there's a lot of big things happening, no? So I wish I could tell you that it's all easy and it's all true, but most of it are not true. But they're exaggerated claims of these people. But yeah, some of it are true, of course. What I'm trying to say right now is there's so much of it actually that are discouraging us, people like us, like individuals or freelancers, or even you guys listening here who are younger or who are starting, right? So it is discouraging to start. Kasi bakit nakikita ko, oh, that's so overwhelming. That's already 6 figures, 7 figures. I can't do that. Can't do that. So how could you start with something na parang ang bigat, ang laki? How could you take a leap? Ang laki na ng hakbang na gagawin mo. So I guess my motivation today is, even if you're starting or you're starting something new, is you have to make $10 before you make 100. Ibig sabihin, before you can earn your first 100, you'll need to earn $10 first. It's a generic concept, guys, no? So ibig sabihin, if you guys are starting a YouTube, if you wanted to reach over 1 million subscribers, you have to make your first YouTube first video. All right, you have to make your first follower or subscriber. If you're creating a page, I wanted to have 10,000 followers by the end of this year, you have to make that one follower first and make that one post. So what I'm trying to say is that these are the things that we tend to forget, that we have to start small. It's okay for dreaming and being ambitious and acting big, but let's not forget this: starting small and learning small, improvising and building it. And after that, we're going to make our 100. So we have to make our $10 first before we make it to 100, so that it's not really overwhelming. So I learned that lesson many times and many years of doing this, and I keep on learning that right even now. So I hope that helps, and let me know what are your thoughts and what are your insights for the past probably weeks that we haven't talked to each other, and what are your realizations too. So have a great week.